In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how to transfer several applications to another home screen at once. So guys, normally in order to transfer one particular app to another home screen, what we need to do is just long press at this app's icon, and then we need to drag it in this way to another home screen, and here we just need to lift off our finger, and that's how we can transfer one particular app to another home screen. However, let's say you are going to transfer several apps at once, and in this way all you have to do is just long press at the first app that you are going to transfer, and then without releasing your finger you can use your another finger to choose another applications. In that simple way, as you can see, now I'm holding 7 applications, and now I can transfer all of them at once in the same way. So guys, that's how it can be easily done, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.